Magdungag kita kay aron makapamahaw. Kay pamahaw ang inyong nila. Ipagwarawara. Kabalog unsay buhaton. I don't know what to do. Keep craving love. Gaga ko na baliw. Ako lang mag-isa dito, guys. Kaya nababaliw ako. Magsaing muna ako. Kasi medyo gigutom na niya akong bitok. Keep living love. Baliw. Sinong baliw? Nakabaliw pala mag-isa, no? Wala ka makakausap. Papalis ang laway mo. Kasi ikaw lang mag-isa. Pero kahit ako lang mag-isa, ang dami kong gagawin. Magpanday ko karon. Ayan, bisbisan. Imit. I am alone, imit. That's why I'm crazy. Yeah. I have a lot of things to do. I'm going to make cage. I started making na. I will finish that in a while. I make a cage for the chicken. For the chicken. Chicken. Oh, this one is the CR. Oh, what you so happy? I just I am just happy because I already have a new chicken. I have the chicken, but na. I will show you why I'm happy, ha? Because of this cute little one. Look at that. Where is your anak? There you go. I have a chicks. I have a chicks. That's why I'm making a cage for the chicken. Ay! Loading pa nga. This is what I make the cage. This is a cage for the chicken. For the chicks also. Yeah, that's why I'm so happy today. Today is the day. Yeah, lang kahit na-exit. That's cool.